Ready for a taste bud revolution? Unlock the savory flavors of cumin seeds, sesame seeds and onion seeds by dry roasting them in a pan at low heat. Wait for the seeds to turn the color. Then sprinkle some paprika and dry roast them for about half a minute to a minute. Boil and mash the potatoes. Stir in the roasted seed mix. Throw in some mustard paste to give your dish some zing. Now add some salt and a sprinkle of red chili powder. Stir it all with a fork or your hands. Now crush some cheese slices and put them in the potato mixture and give it a mix with the help of your hand. Apply potato mixture generously over the bread slice. Now stack the slices and cut them into small triangles. Brush a tray with the oil and place your potato triangles in that tray. You can store these triangles for about 1.5 months into the freezer. Now I will tell you how to fry these triangles. In a bowl, take some flour, salt, black pepper powder and baking powder. Mix them together. Now add eggs, milk and water together to create a paste. Make sure that the consistency isn't too thick or too thin. This is how your paste should look like. Heat some oil in a pan on medium heat for 15 minutes. Then turn the flame down to low. Coat the triangles in flour paste and throw them in a shallow pan with oil. Sprinkle sesame seeds on one side. Fry till golden brown, then flip the side and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Voila! Check it out! Your potato triangles are ready. Serve them up while they are hot and make sure to add some ketchup. I'll give you the recipe for bomb dip to make these triangles extra delicious in my next video.